Hey there, YouTube dreamers and doers! Today we're zooming into the top 3 sizzling hot niches on YouTube for 2025 AI and technology tutorials, sustainable living, and virtual reality gaming and experiences. These aren't just trends, they're game changers reshaping how we learn, live, and play. Let's break them down with some flair. AI and technology tutorials. Welcome to the future where AI is the ultimate wingman for your daily grind. From tools like ChatGPT that write for you to AI code assistants that make programming feel like magic, this niche is a treasure trove of possibilities. Why it's so hot AI isn't just for tech geeks anymore. It's infiltrating homes, offices, and even your social media DMs. Tutorials demystifying this tech revolution are like gold mines for creators. People want to learn how to wield these tools to supercharge their skills in life. Who's watching? Tech enthusiasts, always on the hunt for the next big thing. Career climbers, professionals eager to outshine their peers with the latest AI know-how. Curious minds, everyday folks fascinated by AI's potential. Hot ideas for your channel. ChatGPT hacks that'll save you hours. Coding for beginners. How AI tools make it a breeze. Top 5 AI tools you need to try right now. Sustainable living. Let's talk about saving the planet, one YouTube video at a time. From eco-friendly hacks to guilt-free shopping sprees, sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a lifestyle. Why it's trending. Climate change is real, and people are fired up about making a difference. Videos that help viewers go zero waste, swap to green products, or embrace minimalism are racking up views faster than you can say carbon footprint. Who's tuning in? Eco-warriors, on a mission to make every choice count. Conscious consumers, seeking ethical and planet-friendly products. Minimalists, embracing the joy of less. Hot ideas for your channel, 10 easy eco-swaps you'll love. My zero-waste journey, what I wish I knew earlier. Sustainable fashion haul, trendy and planet-friendly. Virtual reality, VR, gaming and experiences. Step aside traditional gaming, VR is here to blow your mind. Imagine slashing beats, surviving zombie apocalypses, or working out in a digital dojo. This niche is a playground for creators and audiences alike. Why it's exploding. VR tech is getting cheaper, better, and cooler. Gamers are hooked on titles like Beat Saber and Resident Evil 4 VR, while non-gamers are diving into VR workouts and interactive storytelling. It's a feast for the senses. Who's addicted? Hardcore gamers, always chasing the next immersive thrill. Casual players, intrigued by the novelty and fun factor. Fitness enthusiasts, turning workouts into VR adventures. Hot ideas for your channel, top 5 VR games that'll blow your mind. Can VR fitness replace your gym? VR gear review? What's worth your money in 2025? The bigger picture. These niches aren't just trending, they're reflections of how the world is evolving. AI is weaving into our daily routines, sustainability is becoming a lifestyle imperative, and VR is revolutionizing entertainment. If you're a creator ready to ride these waves, your audience is waiting. Go make that magic happen. What niche excites you the most? Drop it in the comments below.